There's Amanda sailing. Yacht Club Camp 2012. 7 years old. On the first day of real sailing. There she goes. There she is, right in front of this boat here, headed towards the buoy. Making a little turn. Perfect. And she's off towards the buoy. Here she goes. Rounding the mark. There's Hunter giving her some direction. Perfect. All right. That's it for now.